Hi friends, welcome to VJ Tech 360. In this video, we are going to see about the Azure App Services, which is very important. So basically, Azure App Service is a platform as a service. So you had, I'm just going to differentiate everything. Like when I am discussing about the virtual machine, I said it's a infrastructure as a service. When I spoke about the container services, I told about the platform as a service. Like that, Azure App Service is a platform as a service which is offered by the Azure. And if you see, Azure App Service is an HTTP based service for hosting your web application or REST APIs or mobile applications. So basically, Azure App Services is also useful for you for the hosting of your web application. So pricing, if you consider, there is a service plans available in the Azure. So based on that, you are going to charge for using this particular Azure App Services. So with Azure App Services, you can able to build web applications in different programming languages. So right now it is going to support .NET, Node.js, PHP, Java, Python, HTML and custom Windows container, which is in preview. And you need not to worry or you need not to manage any sort of infrastructure. That's why Azure App Services are like a platform as a service. So what are these app service plans? Okay, with app service plans, so you can run your apps in the app services plan. By using this app services plan, you can able to run your applications. So when you create an app service plan, a set of compute resource is created for that plan in that region. This is just like you are paying certain amount, and based on that amount they are going to deploy a computer resource like some sort of virtual CPU, some sort of storage, some sort of memory. Everything is getting allocated, okay, that dedicatedly work for you. Okay, basically what you have to understand here is app service plan is just like you are purchasing some sort of infrastructure for a certain price. Okay, there are different plans available that I'm going to show while showing you demo. Each app service plan defines, so you need to specify which region you need, number of virtual machine instances you need, size of your virtual machine, what is the pricing tier you need to give. Once you give all these details, the Azure is going to create app service plan for you. The pricing tier of a app service plan determines what app service price features you get and how much you need to pay for that plan. So that you, while demo itself, you can understand. That time I will show you what are the different plans available, what you are going to get for that, and what are the types of web applications you can run. With app services, you can host most common web application styles such as web apps, API apps and web apps for the containers. So you can able to build and deploy the web applications faster at scale, like you can deploy within seconds or minutes if your code is already built. And if you have any sort of API applications, you can able to deploy them also. And if you have any sort of containerized web applications, you can also deploy them by using app services. So I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching this video.